And we got a bit of that chicken coming out of here. Oh yeah. We want to get some of those veggies and that juice. Those beans. Yeah, a bit of lime. Bit of chicken. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a Mexican chicken bake. We're following along with the quick, easy, tasty meals in the oven. One tray, all comes together without any messing about. I've got chicken thighs, again, bone in, skin on. My choice, but you know, just get them boned or skinless, or use any cut of chicken that you like. It's a straightforward recipe. We're going to knock this together and we're going to make a lime crema drizzle to go over the end of it all. We've got cheese, we've got black beans, corn, passata, we've got chili powder, cumin powder, smoked paprika. We got the chicken, peppers and all the rest of it. Let's get on and do it. Come on. On here, red pepper. Now, this is a very simple, very tasty recipe. I mean, it's extremely tasty. Serve over rice or anything, and I'll tell you, leftovers go fantastic in wraps. We got a red pepper, we got a tray. Any tray that you want to use that you can put your chicken in there. Black beans. Let's get them in there to start off with. This is how this comes together. It's so easy. We got red pepper cubed in there. Cube it as big or small as you like. It's entirely up to you. It depends how many people's eating it, and do you want them all to have a little bit of red pepper. Job done in there. We got a red onion. Same. We want some cubes. Big or small as you like. In there. This is not big on preparation. It's massive on flavour. So we got some corn out of a tin in there. We just bring all that together, mix it all in. Nice and steady. Look at that lot. Super duper. What, a little bit of cumin going in there. Of course we do. It's a Mexican flavoured dish. A little bit of that in there. We've got some chili powder. No, we're going to put that on the chicken. That threw you. Got a little bit of salt going in there. That should drain out some water. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit of olive oil, not much because we're going to put the chicken in here. Okay, give that a mix up. Any which way, get a spoon. Get your hands in. No one's bothered. You're eating it. And no one knows if you do it on the quiet. There you go. Job done. The only other thing we're going to be adding in there is passata, or in my case, blended chopped tomatoes. In they go. Now you don't get your hand in. Nice little stir through. And that is our base in there. How fabulous does that look? Did I say make sure you got your oven on at 200? I can't remember. There you go. Make sure your oven's on at 200. One side. Okay, we want a little bit of something to go over that chicken. So in here, a couple of tablespoons olive oil. In there, that chili powder, which I nearly chucked in there. A little bit of smoked paprika. Gotta make it smoky. A little bit of salt. A little bit of black pepper. Whew. All coming together now. We've got some garlic, let's give that a mincing. Job done. In there. Want a little bit of cumin in there too, don't we? We're making a Mexican. We don't have to go crazy on this though. What about that much? Want some lime juice in there. This is what's going on our chicken. Now, if you get a chance to marinate your chicken, that is fantastic. If you don't, you're doing what I'm doing. We're just going to chuck this on here. I'm going to leave it about 5 minutes. Be careful, you got chili in here, you know. But there you go. Come on, mix it all in. All over there. Get it on that chicken. So there you go, you can let it rest, you can let it marinate, or you can do what I'm going to do. That chicken is going on there. So just take your chicken, nestle it on there, and then we're going to put the rest of the sauce that's left in the tray that's not stuck to the chicken on the chicken. Of course we are. We're not going to waste all that garlic and that flavour. There you go. How quick was that? Probably 5 or 6 minutes. Right, in the oven, 25-30 minutes. Okay, whilst that's in the oven, we can make our lime crema drizzle. This is sour cream. Want a little bit of lime zest, just a little touch in there, and we want a little bit of lime juice, about a tablespoon, somewhere around about there, to make it all limey and wet. It's a drizzle, you know. A little bit of salt in there. You want a touch of water. I want to give it a mix up. Now we're talking, look at that. That's our drizzle. Oh, that'll drizzle over. Fabulous. Okay, when you've had about half an hour, 35 minutes, you got a bit of colour on there. Let's get that out. On there. Now we've got everything going on inside there, and what we need to do now is just put on a little bit of cheese. We're going to melt on that cheese. Nice and steady on there. Now you can mix and match, you know, this is cheddar. This is a bit of mozzarella, just in between. Absolutely fabulous. You don't have to go crackers with the cheese either. It's just to give it that little bit of something on top of that skin. Back in the oven 12 to 15. Okay. Look at that. Come on. Oh, look at that for a pan full of goodness. It smells absolutely off the charts. A Mexican-y type smell. It's mouth-watering. Absolutely mouth-watering. Awful lot of fluid and things going on there with all our veggies. Superb. Serve it over rice. Serve it over crusty bread. Anything like that. On there, a little bit of chopped coriander or parsley, whatever you want. And just put on a couple of lime for people to squirt around, you know. There you go. Just look at that. We need to get that served up. Okay, like I say, you serve it any which way you want. We got some rice. We got a little bit of crusty going on there, look. And we got a bit of that chicken coming out of here. Oh yeah. We want to get some of those veggies and that juice. Those beans. Oh, look at that. Fabulous on there. Nice and steady. And there, a bit of lime. Bit of chicken. Come on. And a drizzle of that crema on there. Oh yeah. Where do you start? You start with a little bit of that veg and that crema on there, look. Come on. Oh, it's delicious. Sour cream, come on. A bit of lime in there. We've got this crusty bread, look, that's soaked it up. Oh yeah. That's my way every time. I eat rice every day, so I love crusty bread. That is unbelievable. In on this chicken. Our chicken thigh, come on. Oh, it's red hot. There you go. Look how perfectly cooked that is. How juicy. Oh, yeah. Oh, heck. We've got to get some of that outside, haven't we? We put all our flavourings on there, on that skin. Look at the steam coming off this. Bingo. That is amazing. Flavour on the chicken and you've got that cheese on there. Oh, it's delicious. Love that. I'm not going to be able to stop eating this. It's delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this. Our Mexican chicken bake with corn, black beans, cheddar, and we got that lime crema sauce. Oh, is that drizzle? It's delicious. Absolutely first class. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. That is juicy and packed with flavour. Oh yeah.